Have you ever heard a sound that no one else can? A sound that seems to pervade every corner of your existence? Hello, this is Mystery Around Us, and I welcome you to my 12th video, Let's Go. Welcome to Taos, New Mexico. Tucked within the heart of this state, Taos is a town renowned for its vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes. Yet there's something else that sets Taos apart, a phenomenon as intriguing as it is elusive. Known as the Taos hum, this mysterious, low-frequency hum echoes through the town, a melody heard by many but understood by none. Some describe it as a distant diesel engine, others liken it to a far-off drone, but all agree on one thing: its incessant, ever-present hum. The hum, a constant companion for a significant number of residents, has sparked countless debates and investigations, yet its source remains a mystery. This is the enigma of the Taos hum, a sound heard but not seen, a melody without a source. The elusive nature of the Taos hum has led to numerous investigations, each seeking to uncover its origin. Over the years, the hunt for answers has taken scientists and researchers down many a rabbit hole, but the hum remains as elusive as ever, a spectral melody that defies explanation. A myriad of theories have been put forward in an attempt to demystify the hum. Some scientists speculate that it could be the result of geological processes. The Earth, after all, is a living, breathing entity, and the hum could be the planet's own heartbeat. Others have pointed to industrial machinery or electrical grids as potential sources, suggesting that the hum could be a byproduct of our technologically advanced society. Yet, none of these theories have been able to fully account for the hum. Atmospheric conditions, such as weather patterns or seismic activity, have been examined, but they offer no clear answers. Psychological factors have also been considered. Could the hum be a figment of our collective imagination, a sonic illusion born out of our human propensity for pattern recognition? But such a theory struggles to explain why only certain residents of Taos can hear the hum. The lack of a definitive explanation has only fueled the intrigue around the Taos hum. The more we search for answers, the more elusive they seem to become. It's like trying to catch a ghost, a phantom sound that slips through our fingers just when we think we have it cornered. Despite the many investigations and countless hours of research, the source of the Taos hum remains shrouded in mystery. It's a puzzle that continues to perplex the brightest minds, a tantalizing enigma that refuses to be solved. In the absence of concrete answers, the hum continues to baffle and intrigue, its melody echoing in the silence of the unknown. The quest for answers goes on, but for now the Taos hum remains a captivating mystery, its low-frequency tune a haunting refrain in the symphony of the unexplained. Unfazed by the mystery, the residents of Taos have adapted to the hum, finding ways to cope with its persistent presence. Life moves on, with the hum serving as an unusual backdrop to their everyday experiences. It's not uncommon to find homes with soundproofing installations, a small but significant testament to the community's resilience. Some residents have even formed support groups, sharing their experiences and offering comfort to those affected more than others. They found solace in unity, bonding over a shared experience that's as perplexing as it is unshakable. The hum has become a part of their narrative, a peculiar melody in the symphony of their lives. It has shaped their nights, their quiet moments, even their conversations. It's a constant reminder of the enigma that their town holds, adding an intriguing layer to their reality. As the hum continues to resonate, the spirit of Taos remains undeterred, a testament to the resilience of its people amidst the enduring mystery.